Welcome to this Prins Tech Talk. My name is Robert Aalbers, and in this video we will show you our Prins ValveCare-3 system, which is installed in this Hyundai i30N. This Hyundai is converted to LPG Autogas. The original fuel for this car is petrol. However, since a Prins LPG system is installed in this car, this Hyundai is now bi-fuel, so can run on LPG or petrol. Driving on LPG offers two main benefits. First is saving money on fuel cost, and second, driving more environmentally friendly. Next to the Prins LPG system, we also installed the ValveCare-3 system. You might be wondering why, when and how to use the ValveCare-3 system. Let's dive into it. What is ValveCare-3? ValveCare-3 is an electronically controlled dosing system for petrol engines that are converted to LPG or CNG. Together with the Prins ValveCare additive, the system aids to keep the combustion chamber cleaner and to reduce wear of valves and valve seats. Why should you use ValveCare? The valves and valve seats of a number of cars are more sensitive for wear when they run on LPG. The ValveCare-3 system injects the ValveCare fluid fully sequential in exactly measured quantities to prevent excessive wear. How does it work? The following components will be installed in the engine compartment of your car. The computer, which ensures system control, the injector rails, which injects the correct amount of fluid per cylinder, and the reservoir. In the Hyundai we installed a reservoir of 600 milliliters directly accessible, but there is also an option for a 1200 milliliter reservoir with possibility to extend it. The system is completely integrated in the Prins LPG system. The Prins ValveCare additive has proven to be reliable, effective and efficient. Your car will only have additive consumption when running on LPG with a dedicated additive mapping optimized for your engine. When and how do you refill the ValveCare additive? The additive reservoir can be refilled easily at any time. In case the reservoir is empty, the Prins fuel selector switch will indicate a blue blinking exclamation mark. There's no need to panic. As long as the exclamation mark is blinking, you can continue your journey on LPG. But make sure to refill soon. Filling up the reservoir is as easy as can be. In case the reservoir is not directly accessible, the option of remote filling makes it still easy to refill. After you refill the reservoir, you can continue to drive an LPG. You can buy this ValveCare bottle at your local Prins workshop. Okay, we hope with this video that you have learned a lot about the Prins ValveCare-3 system. If you have any questions or remark, feel free to leave a comment below.